I remember the excitement in 2021 when LMM opened in Penang. It was extremely challenging to tackle such an effort in the middle of a pandemic, and the stakes were incredibly high for LAM. Launching LMM was a massive undertaking that took a global collaboration. And meeting that challenge has formed bonds that will last a lifetime. Our multicultural composition enabled us to quickly come up to speed and combine LAM's expertise with the spirits of resilience that Malaysian is known for. Malaysia Boleh.
Boleh means can do in Malay. It embodies the spirit which we tackle all challenges. We are an incredibly diverse country, full of vibrant, creative people that embrace the diversity of our background. We have created a team here at LAM that reflects our rich multicultural heritage infused with LAM core values. To attract new talent fast, we highlight our innovations, our commitment to employee growth, and the welcoming environment we have built.
I recently joined LAM, and the support that I have received from the rest of the team has just been amazing. The training skills and development center here are crucial in helping onboard new employees like me, and they enable us to quickly learn and bring our strength and skills to LAM. Despite the challenges created by the quick ramp, my team always make me feel nothing is impossible. I always feel excited whenever LMM achieves the deliverable every week. We can do it. LAM Boleh.
Because we have grown so quickly, we needed to be intentional about how we build relationship and trust with each other. To do that, we created a dedicated engagement program that encouraged participation through sports and volunteering opportunities. Regardless if it's Hari Raya, Deepavali, Chinese New Year or Christmas, we are always celebrating our employee and their diverse backgrounds.
We are now a well-oiled machine, one of the great examples of LAM manufacturing excellence, with state-of-the-art facilities and a highly trained and skilled workforce. Looking back, I see how far we have come, and the story we have yet to tell. We are proud that LAM Manufacturing Malaysia is now part of the strong global manufacturing ecosystem within LAM.
We are not just building products in Malaysia, we are building a community that celebrates every culture.